Oh, hindi pa nagana yan.
Nagana na nga ni.
Oh, langon. Oh, tampon pa lang.
Padawli, ako tiga ano ah. Ako tiga ikot ah. Ikot ng kamay ko ah. Ha? Foul! Good. Para akong andito ah.
Pascual.
Stepping! Oh, lipat dito.
Saka lang. Nagdi-dribble pa eh.
Sabi. Ofensivo. Pinasok ni 14.
Gumagalaw pa yan eh. Masyado matigas yata ah. Malino yung camera nito ano.
23. Tinira.
Stepping. Yun, sa inyo talaga. Sayang. Kaya may bola. Yun talaga pag may bola ang ano.
Nilabas sa bola, 23 kinuha. 32 tinira sa labas. 2-0. Okay. Fitness in 23.
Lapit! Oh, ito!
Labi.
Kailangan may bola yung tiyan mo dyan. Bibidyoan.
Buti ako, sasama mo sa ano.
Napunta na, galing mo naman.
Hello. Pascual to Panganiban. No good rebound by Mr. MVP. Ibalyo to Labis. Labis on the spot. 2 points for Randy Labis. Kaya pala. Magpantay ang dribble. Pass to Panganiban. No good. Rebound Declaro. Pass to number 17. It's 3 point. 3 point. Cross 3 point.
Push!
Corpus, cross daw.
The score is 7-4 in favor of blue team. Pascual. Oh, it's good.
Pascual na
2
eh.
points.
Pascual eh.
Pascual, red team. Pascual, number 32. Declaro
Uli
ang
ako.
dribble.
Taga-video pa eh.
Red post foul. Number 14. Foul. Fernandez, foul.
Bungi.
Red shot.
O baka matamaan pre. Ulis siya mo pre.
Up. Steal. Up. Blue ball.
Good daw. Ano, limaan? Ginawa limaan ah.
Seven minutes and 14 seconds for first quarter. Cross.
Corpus.
Good. Minus 2. Rebound run. Pascual ang dribble. Pass magpantay. Rep. Sa blue team. Blue ball. Claro na dribble. Pass to Corpus.
Airball.
Red ball. Pascual on the dribble. Pascual. Foul. Foul number 16.
Dati yan to pre, dipit.
Foul.
Kailangan kuha na yung niyawak ng bola.
Pantay. Pass to Pascual. Palyado. No good. Rebound Fernandez. Pass to Pascual. No good. Corpus. That's 2 points. Oh, Corpus. That's a blue. Red. Pascual on the dribble. Pass to Magpantay. No good. Fernandez. Rebound to Claro. Claro on the dribble. Claro on the blue team. To Amibo. Labis. No good. Red foul. Post foul. Timeout. Red team. Claro on the dribble. Claro. Pass to Navarro. Rebound to Pascual. Oh.
Airball.
Violation. It's the blue ball. Di Castro. Number 3. Di Castro. Pass to Arrigo. Number 16 on the blue team. Di Castro.
Traveling.
It's a traveling violation. It's a red ball. Red team. Red ball. Bigol to number 7 to Bigol. 3 point, no good. Rebound to Claro. Claro on the dribble, pass to Arrigo. To Di Castro. Claro, no good. Rebound to Bigol. On the dribble, number 2 on the red team. Bigol. Still by Arrigo. Oh, red ball. Time up. Red. Stop. Number 15 out.
Time out
For red
agad.
team. Number 15 out. 82 in.
Bulgul.
Is the red ball.
Out, stop. Take up.
Mamaya na. Bicol to Katampatan. To Aribo. Up. Sa blue ball.
Teka lang, teka lang.
2 minutes and 50 seconds. The score is 9-6 in favor of blue team.
Lapit ka konti para makita tayo.
Anibo on the ball number 16. Di Castro number 3. To Navarro. Di Castro. Di Castro the spot. Up, no good. Another shot. Up. Set. Red. Counted. Foul number 82 for the red team. 82. Red stop. Corpus out. Soriano in.
Nagyayadi. Ay, nagyayadi.
Declaro on the free throw line for the blue team.
Bumikip.
Di Castro, no good. Rebound to Anibo. Soriano to Di Castro. To Ines. Ines in the spot.
Nasa pa.
Still for Pascual. Pascual on the dribble. To Bicol, no good. Anibo for the blue team on the dribble. Anibo to Ines. To Di Castro, no good. Rebound Bataro. Up. Foul number 16. Anibo for the blue team. Warning for penalty. Foul number 16, Anibo for the blue team. Bicol to Pascual. Last 2 minutes. Pataro. It's good. 2 shots for Pataro for the red team. Anibo on the dribble, number 16 of the blue team. To the Soriano. No good. Rebound Pataro. To Pascual. Up. It's the double dribble. It's the
Wala.
blue ball. Di Castro. Anibo the dribble. Anibo number 16 of the blue team. Spatic 3 point. Anibo 3 point for the blue team. Number 16. 3 point. Pascual. To Bicol. To Mataro. Tampatan to Pascual. Pascual the spot. Dugo. Rebound Ginis. To Anibo. Sayang. "49 seconds.
Doy, kita ka na Doy.
Pascual to Bicol.
Hindi ka tumingin eh.
Bicol. To Anibo. Anibo the spot. No good. Rebound Tamaro. To Ines. 30 seconds. For the first quarter. Anibo. To Ines. Ines on the 3 point. No good. Rebound Anibo for the red team. Pascual. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time! Zero na red.
May foul.
Okay. Sige, free throw. Sige.
Huwag magalit, huwag magalit.
Di Castro from the free throw line. For the blue team. First free throw, no good. Second shot, Rudy Castro for the blue team. Second shot, no good again. Quarter.
Parang yung bata sa court lang, pagka time up, pupunta doon nag-jujut.
Okay, red ball.
Cameraman nga ako ngayon eh. Cameraman.
Cameraman nga yun eh.
Katampatan na doon. Arribo for the red team. Pagkakaliban, school.
Ha? Wala nga. Baliktad.
29. Wala.
Labis. Oh, Soriano. For Labis. Labis on the spot. Scoop! 2 points for Labis. For the blue team. The score is 16-12 in favor of blue team. Anibo, to Panganiban. Panganiban on the spot. Okay, Mataro. Tugod. Nadapa na. Okay. Sa blue ball. Labis on the dribble. Labis. Corpus.
So,
over the back.
over tabakod.
It's the red team. Red ball. Mataro. Katampatan on the dribble. Katampatan. Tupangan. Anibo. Anibo on the spot. No good. Rebound. Labis. Labis. Tumagat. Kuya Boy. It's good. Kuya Boy is 2 points. Number 29 on the blue team. The 2 points. Hit. Number 89. Oh, it's a fast break for the Kuya Boy. Kuya Boy!
Layo eh, bilis.
Sumubra out trigger. Katampatan. Katampatan on the dribble. Katampatan. Red, 3 points. Katampatan, 3 points. Ito. Labis. Oh, no good. Rebound to Mataro. To Panganiban.
Eh, bola eh.
Panganiban on the dribble. To
Ay,
number
bigay
19, the red team. Panganiban on the dribble. Panganiban on the spot.
Grabe.
Up, rep. Who's foul, rep. Foul, Labis.
Traveling agad.
19
Naaangat pa lang eh.
for the blue team. Okay, side ball, rep. It's a blue ball. Katampatan to Anibo for the red team. Anibo on the dribble. Anibo on the spot. No good. Rebound Corpus. So Labis. Labis on the dribble. Labis on the spot. No good. Rebound Bagat. Oh. Rebound to Anibo for the red team. To Katampatan. To Panganiban on the spot. Scoop 2 points for Panganiban.
Layo ah.
Panganiban has 2 points for the red team. Kuya Boy. Oh! That's a traveling violation. Time out! Blue team. Okay, this is the blue, red ball.
Na-receive.
Kapatan. To Anibo for the red team. To Kasugat. 3 points. Tres. Kasugat 3 points. Declaro to Anibo for the blue team. To Labis. Labis on the dribble. To De Castro. Declaro, it's good. 2 points for Declaro for the blue team. Number 0. 2 points. Panganiban, for the red team. Panganiban. Oh, saplak. Okay. Rep. Blue ball. Okay, rep, sub. Rep, sub.
Tutoy.
Rep, sub. Mataro out, Pascual in. For the red team. Declaro. Amigo. Katampatan for the red team. Katampatan. Oh! Pinasa sa wala. Sayang.
Oh,
Declaro. Amigo for the red team. Still for Anibo again. Anibo. Nakasuka. Katampatan. No good. Rebound Anibo. And the blue team. Red. Foul 89. Kasuka. Red shot. Number 7, Katampatan out. Kalyado from number 15 in. For the red team. Okay. Blue ball.
Kuatoy.
Di Castro. Rep. Foul Anibo for the red team. Number 10.
May bola.
17 foul for the red team. Correction. Up. Pinasa.
Ayan,
Hoy!
hindi mo sabihin.
Declaro. Tito Di Castro. No good. Rebound Pascual. Up. Navarro. To Declaro. To Labis. It's good. 2 points for Labis. 2 points for Labis. For the blue
Bob.
team. The score is 22-20 in favor of blue team. It's for a red ball. Pascual. To Anibo for a red team. Anibo. Red shot. Number 10 out, number 23 in for the red team. Laro to Anibo for the blue team, number 16. Anibo on the dribble. Anibo. Up. Red. It's a 3 seconds violation. Rest. Blocks ilalim. Ng bilog. Pascual. Tumagpantay. No good. Rebound to Labis. Labis ang dribble. First to Anibo.
Pintong.
Labis to Declaro.
Cancel po yan. Cancel po yan.
Oh, good. 2 points for Corpus.
Hindi pa ito
Per 17, 2 points.
Ba't ikaw operator dyan? Wala nga, naglalaro sila eh. Julius ba?
Ito Panganiban.
Ayun na, nandun na.
Panganiban.
Nagsimba.
Pato Pascual. Pascual on the spot. No good. Nakagawa ng bola.
Jump ball.
Red. Jump ball. Blue ball.
Ipre, di ka tumingin. Kukunin ka sa camera eh.
Ayan, nabaliktad na.
George, tingin ka George. Ano makakuha sa camera?
Kaya ka tumumuki.
Tayo operator ng camera eh. Kailangan tumingin ka para makita.
Mukha tayo na lang, huwag na yung naglalaro.
Kaya yan. Galit si Jules, Sir Jules sa'yo.
Foul number 32.
Kinuha ko yung punto.
Warning for penalty po.
Ay, operator pa tayo.
Claro. Declaro on the shot. No good. Na-rebound po ni Labis. Tinira. Wala pa rin. Nasipa po. Italiano ang bola.
Kaya kabahan ka rin ah.
Balik-balik yung bola niyo.
Orpus, paso number 16. Looking for his teammate. Tinira po. Pinasa. Diretso, Pascual, diretso. Diniretso ni Pascual. Good! 2 points. Orpus. Pinasa ngayon ni Claro. Hinaharas pa si Claro. Hinaharas. Ni Claro. Pinasa. Tinira. Sala.
Ang galing ng committee.
Agaw po ni Corpus. Tinira. Wala. Nakuha ni De Castro. Pinasok. Red ball po, red ball. Red Bull. Energy drink. Panganiban on the dribble. Panganiban, setting the ball. Pinasa kay Pascual. Kasuga on 3. No good. Nakuha po ni number 16. Hinaharas po ni Magpantay. Hinaharas si Magpantay. Goal! Tapal. Ball kasi. Time out, blue team.
Hoy! Ba't sa kanila, di ba black?
Ayun po.
Nabao ah, di ba?
Pascual.
Black kanina?
Yun, na-shoot eh.
Kung Panganiban, 2 points for Panganiban for that team. Score is all 24.
Hindi, nagano kanina.
Alibo for the blue team. To De Castro. It's good. Red. Okay, okay lang. 2 points for Ryan Labis for the blue team. Pagpantay. To Pascual. No good. Rebound Panganiban. To Calyado. To Kasuga. No good. It's a blue ball. De Castro on the dribble. 34 seconds. 32 seconds. Labis. It's 2 points for Labis. For the blue team.
Labis na eh, sobra na.
Takbong mayaman. Pascual on the red team. On the dribble. Pascual. Naghahanap ng papasahan. 13 seconds. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Hop, hop. Stop. Counted, red.
Counted. Mahal lang naman siya eh. Counted yun, good yun.
Counted foul, counted foul. Pascual on the dribble.
Foul naman talaga.
5 seconds.
Pero kung nagano lang siya, no? Wala foul.
Last 5 seconds. Pascual. Good. 2, 1, 0. Okay. Tapos na po ang ating set. Okay, Anibo. To Ines. Number 5, Ines. Okay. Number 21. To number 5. Number 5. It's good! Red 3 point. Ines 3 point. Oh! Ayan. Hop, rebound agad. Score for Katapatan. To Anibo Pagarating. Oh! 3 point. Anibo 3 point for the red team. Anibo again. To number 16. To blue team. Number 21. No good. Rebound to Anibo again. Anibo for the red team. On the table. Anibo. To Mataro. Steal for Anibo again. Anibo for blue team. Blue team. Anibo again. Puro Anibo.
Puro Anibo.
On the spot. Scoop. 2 points for Pascual. Puro Anibo na. Anibo na. Hop. Anibo again. Anibo number 16 for the blue team. To Navarro. To Bagat. No good. Ines. No good. Rebound Navarro. On. Pascual. Oh, still for Anibo. For the blue team. Anibo. To Ines. Ines. Up. Nahulog. Nakakainis ka. Maga. Foul. Foul number 32, Pascual foul. Second foul for Pascual. Pascual 2 point. Ito 2 foul. Nakakainis ka. Navarro for the free throw line. Navarro, first shot. It's good. Second shot. Katapatan. To Anibo again. Anibo for the red team. No good. Rebound. To Mataro. Mataro. Hop, still for Bagat. Oh, Pascual. Hop, Pascual. Scoop. 2 points for Pascual. The score is 32-34. Lamang ang red. In favor of red team. Anibo. To Ines. Ines! Hop. Nakakainis. Bicol. Bicol on the dribble. Bicol. Brian Bicol. No good. Oh, Anibo. Oh, good for Anibo. On the red team. Number 10 on the red team. 2 points. 36-32 in favor of red team. Anibo again for number 16 for the blue team. To Bagat. Oh, red. Foul Mataro.
Gano ko.
Foul Mataro.
Cameraman ako.
Okay, red shot.
Cameraman.
Sub.
Nilaro nila Anibo eh. Cameraman ako.
Oh, warning. Red, warning. Number 82. Okay.
Ano ko, cameraman.
Red shot. Mataro out. Number 19, Panganiban in.
Hindi mo. Cameraman. Laro sila Anibo eh.
Okay. Iklaro. Iklaro ng dribbles. To Bagat. Bagat. To Ines. Ines at the spot. To good. Another Ines. Oh, it's a good thing. Red. Nagpasar na. Okay, nagpasar na raw. Nagpasar na.
Replay. Tingnan sa replay.
Committee timeout. Red. Going to committee table. Pascual, 3 foul. Soriano the spot. At the second free throw. No good.
Iba to naman.
Red sub.
Sa ano to? Sa committee to. Sa kanya sa committee to, hindi sa kanya asawa.
Galyado
May
in.
laro lang sila. Ito naman eh. May laro sila pero wala sinasabing camera nila to. Camera ng community to, pinag-camera nila ako. Kala mo naman kasi camera nila. Sa community to. Tinagano ako, tinawagan ako, sabi niya, pwede daw ako mag-cameraman.
Pangaliban. Pass to Bicol. Brian Bicol.
Usap pa ako ng video nila. Sa community to.
Pangaliban. Good. 2 points for Pangaliban. Counted foul.
Cellphone ng Anto ng sekretary ng manager dito. Pinagawak lang ako.
Foul number 5, Ines. Pangaliban sa spots. Good. The score is 32-39 in favor of red team. Soriano. To Navarro. Corpus. Corpus at the spot. No good. Rebound ni Pangaliban. Anibo. To Bicol. Bicol at the spot. No good. Rebound to Anibo. To Akampatan. Akampatan. To Calyado. Shoot to Calyado. Calyado's 2 points for the red team. The score is 41-32 in favor of red team. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Ines. Rebound Magat. Magat. Rebound to Anibo. For the red team. To Pangaliban. Pangaliban on the dribble. Pangaliban. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Oh, na-steal ni Soriano. Kung Declaro. Declaro. Hindi mong dribble. Declaro. Steal po. Aliado. Aliado 15 and the red team. The dribble. Aliado to Bicol. Brian Bicol. On the dribble. Brian Bicol. No good. Atapatan. No good again. Calyado. Shoot. 2 points for Calyado. Time out. Blue team. Clear. Start the game. Naka-ready na. Blue ball. Corpus to Di Castro. Di Castro at the dribble. Tumagat. Di Castro. Hop, steal for Pangaliban. Pangaliban at dribble. Pass to Calyado. Pinaka pa. Oh, rebound Corpus. To Di Castro. Di Castro at the dribble. Hop. Okay, Declaro. Hop, Di Castro again. No good. Pangaliban. Pangaliban. No good. Calyado 2 points. Number 15. Number 15. Hop. Still for Calyado. Calyado. To Kasuga. The score is 45-32 in favor of red team. Pangaliban. To magpantay. Magpantay the spot. 3 points. Magpantay 3 points. For the red team. Di Castro. Still. For red. Is a traveling violation. Blue ball, blue ball. Declaro. What? The stop Declaro. It's good 2 points for Declaro. For the blue team. 2 minutes and 37 seconds. The score is 48-34 in favor of red team. 19, number 19 to Pangaliban. Stop. Up. Di Castro on the dribble. Di Castro. Gonna go up. It's a jump ball. The red ball, red ball.
Joseph, Joseph. Ah. Cameraman eh, no?
Nagpantay ng dribble. Nagpantay number 23 for the red team. Pass to Kasuga. To Calyado. Calyado to Fernandez. To Panganiban. No good. Rebound. Declaro. Declaro. Ang galing magdala ng bola. To Corpus. Corpus. Suspect, no good. Intercept Corpus. Good. 2 points for Corpus. Counted foul. Red. 15. Number 14. Foul number 14. Opening for penalty. Corpus for the free to line. Rebound to Corpus. It's good. Malak. Time out, red team. Pascual. Magpantay. Pass to Pascual again. Pascual on the dribble. Pass to... Oh, 3 points, red. Asuga 3 point for the red team. Up. Di Castro. Okay, red ball. Pascual at the dribble. Pascual, tumakpantay. Dudut. Rebound to Calyado. Corpus at the dribble. Oh, still for Kasuga. 14 seconds. 39 seconds. 25 seconds. 29 seconds. Declaro at the dribble. Declaro. Tuminez. Red ball, red ball. 15 seconds. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time! Rebound to Ryan Hernandez. Ryan number 19 for the blue team. It's good. 2 points for Ryan Labis. For the blue team.
Sip, tingin ka, Sip.
Pascual on the rebound. Pascual number 32 for the red team. To Panganiban. Up. Rep. First foul. Okay. Rep, who's foul, rep? Oh, number 16. 16. Anibo. Anibo, foul. Dalawa 16 pa? Sino rep? Sino? Okay. Nilo Vinyas, foul. Panganiban. First free throw, no good. Second free throw, no Panganiban. It's good. Number 19, 1 point. For the red team. Anibo, number 16 on the 3 point for the blue team. Ribo. To Ines. Ines on the 3-point. No good. Rebound Pascual to Katampatan to Pascual. Number 32 Pascual on the dribble. For the red team. Number 32. Still for Anibo. Go to Ines. Good. 2 points for Ines. For the blue team. Number 5 the blue team. Number 19 on the dribble. For the red team. Pangaliban up. Red. Foul number 16. Anibo for the blue team.
George.
Asuga. Rebound to Diaz. To Vinyas. Labis on the dribble. Labis. Spot no good. Rebound Bicol. Bicol pass to Pascual. Pascual on the dribble for the red team. Number 32. To Panganiban. Panganiban on the dribble. Pass to Bicol. To Panganiban. Panganiban to spot. No good. Rebound Kasuga. Foul Diaz. Number 11. For the blue team. Diaz, pakita. Thank you. Number 89. First free throw, no good. Second free throw from Kasuga, it's good. 1 point for Kasuga. For the red team. Number 18. Anibo, number 16 on the dribble for the blue team. Anibo. To Labis. Labis on the spot, no good. Rebound to Pascual. Pascual on the dribble. Pascual. Sinasa kay Bicol. To Pascual. Katampatan, no good. Rebound Ines. Number 5 Ines on the dribble. To blue team. Ines, no good. Rebound Pascual. To Kasuga. Kasuga to Katampatan. Katampatan 2 points. For the red team. Sandali lang. Number 16 on the dribble for the blue team. Number 16 for Jan. Labis, no good. Rebound Pascual. The score is 42-58 in favor of the red team. The time is 6 minutes and 48 seconds for the fourth quarter. Bicol to Pascual. Panganiban. It's good. 2 points for Panganiban for the red team. Up. Red sub. Red sub. Okay, Declaro to Castro. To Anibo. Oh, siya. Repo. Red team. Second. For the fourth quarter. Anibo to Declaro. Castro. Di Castro. To Declaro. Declaro the 3-point. No good. Up. 2 points for Corpus. Repetition. Up. 2 points for Corpus. Another 2 points for the blue team. Tamparan. Sabak. Laki foul. Number 16. Yung Anibo.
pasok. Ayaw naman yun, tayo ba kasi ta?
Warning for penalty for the blue team. Five minutes and 52 seconds for the fourth quarter. Katampatan for the free throw line. First free throw. No good. Second shot for Katampatan. Number 7 for the team. No good again. Rebound to Castro. Rebound to Declaro. Declaro, no good. Rebound to Aliado. Pass to Pascual. 5 minutes and 38 seconds for the fourth quarter. Number 32. Paganiban. Paganiban! Good! 2 points for Paganiban. It's a good shot. Si Castro, 2 points for si Castro. For the blue team. Mahabol. Haba pa oras. Bicol. 5 minutes. Bicol. Mahal Bicol ang Bicol. Pangaliban. Pangaliban. Pascual. 5 seconds. Hop. Okay. Oh, Pangaliban. Okay, tuloy. Number 2. Tuloy. Katampatan. Hop, still for Anibo. Anibo to the Castro. Good, 2 points for the Castro. For the Puti. The time is 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Okay, another turnover.
Hindi kinukuha eh.
Okay, reps up. Number 7 out. Number 23 magbantay in. Correct team. Okay, number 2 out. Number 10 in. Libo. Correct team. Magat. Puti Castro. To Declaro. To Corpus. There's a red ball.
Joseph, George.
Score is 62-50 in favor of red team. Pascual. Dribble. To Panganiban. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Panganiban, pinasa Calyado. Scoop 2 points for Calyado. For the red team. 3 minutes and 42 seconds for the fourth quarter. Anibo. Declaro. Scoop. Declaro 3 points for the blue team.
Oh, pare! Ay, puti!
Okay, the red ball. Aniban to Pascual. 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Is the line. Step in the line. Violation. Nibo. Okay, red ball. Back to the red ball. 3 minutes and 9 seconds for the fourth quarter. Pascual on the dribble. Pass to Panganiban. Naghihintay ng kakampi. Pinasa kay Anibo. Anibo on the dribble. Corpus. To Anibo. To the team. Anibo. Kapos. Kulang. Kapos. si Labis. Apa, sige, tuloy. Pascual. Nagano pagpapasahan, pinasahan ng pantay. Pagpantay. Ito, Anibo. Rebound tumagat. Di Castro. Rep. Isa red ball. Reps up, rep. Reps up. Two minutes and 16 seconds for the fourth quarter. Rep, player ang blue. Isa.
Lumabas na.
Sige. Pasensya na at tao lang. Kasi nasa loob yung isang blue eh. Okay. Up! 2 points lang. Last 2 minutes for the Popotan. Pagalitan. Ito Anibo. Pagalitin. Hop. Okay, Red. The red ball. Shot clock. Oh, 14 shot clock. Magpantay. Good. Hop. Nakilipin sa kapal. Nasa jump ball. Okay, save ball. Red ball. Okay. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Magpantay. Anibo. Pangaliban. Magpantay. Pangaliban. Steal. Castro. Labis. Oy. Di Castro. Declaro. No good. Rebound to Anibo for the red team. Anibo. Red. Foul number 3. Red penalty. Pasensya, tao na. Okay, first free throw for Anibo. Good. Second free throw for Anibo. Okay, it's good. The score is 55-66. 1 minute and 6 seconds. Anibo, Hawks, foul number 0. Foul declaro. Okay, penalty.
Pasok kayo.
59 seconds. Anibo for the free throw. First free throw, it's good. 1 point for Anibo.
Tapos sila siya magpantay.
59 seconds. Oh, 2 points for Anibo. Partner down ni Mr. Khalid. Labis. Oh. Labis. Hop. Magpantay. Hop. Pangaliban. Hop. Pangaliban. On the spot. Good. Rebound bangat. To Corpus. Corpus 3 point. Scoop. Corpus 3 point. Stress. Still Corpus again, 3 point. No good. Another 3 point. Scoop. Corpus 3 point. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0.